Why your slide numbers are not working properly is you're not using the proper process of bringing in slides. So let's go over that again, and I'll also teach you how to fix what you already have. So what we're going to do is whenever you want to bring in a slide from another deck, we do new slide, reuse slides, we browse for a file. Once we see that file, we can click on the slide. It will bring it in. If things are incorrect, the next step is we do layout, and we make sure to choose one of these proper layouts that we've created for you. You'll notice that I can see that you brought in a improper to content layout from another old deck, so we don't want to use that. In fact, we want to get rid of that. So I'll just choose a one content, and last step is to reset. That way everything's in. If necessary, if things were not in here, we can delete anything that does not work. For instance, we have a title, or we have a bottom left hand corner, we had a date that we don't want, and it brought in a footer which we may or may not want. So at any point though, we can change layouts. Once we change the layout, we can always reset. Now what happened was you copy and pasted into this document, which basically brought in another master layout called to content, which has the improper placement, and you'll notice has no slide numbers. Now I cannot delete that at this point because you have it used in multiple locations. So we don't want to use that. In fact, anything at the very end, anything past title only will be improper. So title only will always be the last one, and I may fix that in your template just to make it easier for you guys. So what happens when we have brought them in incorrectly? What we need to do is change to a proper layout. So we go to here, we do layout, we pick a proper layout, one of these ones at the top. Looks like this is a one content, one column. You'll notice that our information is not in the right proper box. So what we can do is move it over to the side, grab our improper rogue text box, paste it into the proper text box, and reset. Everything updates to the proper layout and whatever sort of styles we have intact. I can change different layouts if I want to, if I want it two column or whatever it is. These are all first level, that's why it's bold. You may want to do different column flows or whatever you're looking for. And the last step is I'll keep doing that for each one of these. So I would do layout. I would choose, this is an improper layout, so I'm going to go to a proper layout, and again I'm going to copy this data, or cut that data, paste it into the right area. Last one is to reset. Now you'll notice that we have a reset. These are all first levels, so that we have agenda bold, and that's how you guys have it set up in your master slide, is all first levels. You want agenda bold. So we may want to create another layout that is, if you really want this sort of big Calibri 16, which I'm not too sure if you want, but we can do that if necessary. So once you get all of these in the proper layouts, we can highlight multiple proper layouts and then just do insert slide number, check slide number, and do apply to all. Everything will pop in and we're back good to go. And at any point we can also change these layouts if necessary, or if we want to rework them. Okay, hopefully that's helpful, and good luck.